Hi, family and friends. It's your Jamaican girl, Norleen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen. Welcome, family and friends, to my kitchen. Now, today, your Jamaican girl gonna throw down in the kitchen yet another time. I am doing a salmon quiche. So I have some spinach and I have cut them nicely. And guys, I move straight to the pot to steam my spinach. I will stir fry the spinach in coconut oil with some peppers, some onions, and garlic, and then rest it aside. In a saucepan, I will add about 350 grams of coconut milk. I will allow this to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until it thickens. While this is happening, I will dice my salmon in about half-inch cubes and rest it aside. It has been seasoned with pepper, salt, and some blended seasoning. Now, guys, I want you to see what the spinach looks like. There is no juice from the spinach in the bottom of the pan because you want it to be as dry as possible, and that's why you stir fry. To all my new subscribers, welcome, 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 welcome to my kitchen. Thank you so much for joining my channel, and remember to hit that like button and leave your comment in the comment section. So I move straight to making the dough for the quiche. In a cup of flour, I've added half cup of cold butter. I'm actually using margarine. You may use butter if you so desire, and I just simply rub it together until it combines. Guys, I'm just tipping just a little bit of water in this just to combine the dough. Now, guys, remember, hit that like button if you're enjoying this video. Leave your comment, share my channel with your friends, of course, and encourage them to subscribe. Next, I will rest my dough in the refrigerator, and I will step out for just about 2 hours to have brunch with my friend. The food for thought comes to us today from Ecclesiastes 12 verse 13. The conclusion, Solomon said, is to fear God and obey his commandment. It is the duty of everyone. Now, guys, I want somebody to know that God has blessed you with all the affluence there is in this world, and all he requires from you is to fear him and obey his commandments. All right, guys, so after about 4 hours, my dough is all set and ready, and so I use my rolling pin to roll it out nice and flat. Guys, the aim is to have a flat, consistent dough, and next we move straight on to put it over the pie dish. Now, guys, remember, tuck in all the sides. You want to make sure that there is no air pocket under your dough. You can use your rolling pin to roll away the sides, or simple cut it away. I am using my knife to cut it away. Next, I will use my finger to pinch the side or the edges of the dough while pushing it to the corner of the pie dish. Now, my family and friends, big up on yourself. And don't know us, Wims love and appreciate you. And of course, remember, hit the like button. So, guys, may I move straight into punching holes with the fork in the dough. And guys, I'll put this in the oven to bake for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Now, guys, while that is happening, I will prepare the filling. 3 eggs, guys, in a bowl. Add the coconut milk to that. I'm gonna add some seasoning. I'm adding paprika, some garlic salt, some black pepper, guys, and some all-purpose season. Stir that in nicely. Now, guys, remember, time for big up the people who are celebrate birthday. Big up on yourself. Just know that Wim sees, love, and appreciate you. If you're celebrating anniversary or any other milestone, big up yourself. Congratulations to you. So my quiche crust is ready, and I'm simply adding all the fillings. I'm gonna add the spinach to that. Then I top it off with the salmon. Guys, I'm gonna add some cheddar cheese to this, and then I will add to that the egg mixture. Now, people, I can't tell you, said this is one for you to try in your kitchen. You will enjoy doing it, and trust me, the taste is divine. Now, family and friends, I pause just to celebrate my nephew Shadanoy. Happy birthday to you, nephew. You have celebrated your 16th birthday. Big up yourself, and I wish for you God's divine blessings. Now, guys, I add to this the rest of the spinach, and then, guys, I am going to top this off with some jack and mozzarella cheese. Boy. Please remember to hit your subscribe button if you have not already done so. Hit that like button. Let me know that you are enjoying my video. Thank you so much. So, guys, see there? put it in the oven, 350 degrees. After 20 minutes, guys, this is what the salmon spinach quiche looks like. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Guys, I just want to dig in so that you can get a better appreciation for what it actually looks like. The coconut flavor adds that mild, sophisticated taste to it. And if you're lactose intolerant, remember coconut milk is a great substitute. See you next week, guys. Love, 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 love. Mwah. Love you. I'll see you next week. Nice and